Good day, my name is Jessica Joanna Bourdon of the English 4 course code 9017021. Unit 1 to task 4 positive and negative effects of technology on the environment. The purpose of this task is to identify what are the negative or positive effects of technology on the environment. The human being has used various tools to distract his mind, recreate and money. Unfortunately, the technology that man has developed in the environment, both positive and negative. Within the positive is able to meet the needs. On the other hand, the negative effects are the obtaining of a raw material, the design of the waste generated through the obtaining of a technological product. It can have the consequence for the conservation of the environment. All electronic equipment have also been created with very small components and at the same time very toxic components that are not recycled and endanger the life of the planet and generate climate effects. In this sense, I invite you to take drastic measures to improve our environment, since most of them will not be the same again. For the above, I recommend carry out the maintenance of the vehicles within that time. Avoid burning garbage and tires. Avoid buying disposable items and plastic that are not biodegradable. Recycle. Reduce the consumption of water and electricity. Do not litter on the street, forests, and parks. Thank you so much.